with this thing. I had to style it because
it's okay.
It's okay like that. Yeah. It's not too thingamajig.
No.
Okay. God bless you, darling. Thank you. Have you started it?
Yes.
Alrighty. Well, I'll just leave it here for now. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Darlings, we have a meet and greet and I am so excited. Things are coming together and I cannot wait to meet my volunteers. You're going to have so much fun. I cannot wait for us to kiki. It's going to be wonderful. It's all coming together. I'm so excited. Darlings, the tickets are below. It is going to be a phenomenal summer splash party. That's the only way I can describe it for you. There's food, there's drinks, there's kiki, there's dancing, there's Q&A, there's taking pictures, there's prizes, there's everything that day. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. And we are also launching an exclusive of my brand. You have vendors there as well. You have Healthy Hair Studio. You have Eloise Beauty. You have Juvia's Place. You have Sane Paper. You have cake. You have cupcakes. My God, it's going to be everything. Let me know what you think I should do with my hair. What do you think I should do with it? Should I just come as is, as you see me every day, or should I do something different? Let me know down in the comment section. What am I wearing, baby? I saw this on Instagram and it looked much better on Instagram. You know those little adverts that they have. And so I thought, okay, let me get it. And it wasn't the greatest quality. I styled it. I put a safety pin just to bring it in because it was kind of lopsided. It still is, as a matter of fact. Let me do it this way. There we go. And it's pants. They're okay, but they're cheapish. And then they're short. I wanted them to be flowy and nice and long. And that's not what I got. But I'm showing you anyway. And that's the only reason why I'm not telling you what the brand is. Because I bought another dress there. I was so upset. I give it to Maria. Maria has gone. Maria has gone. We have another nanny now, Camilla. It was supposed to be this gorgeous dress. And what they did, what I found out, was that this was actually Pucci imitation. And the other dress came from another designer. So I picked it to buy it. And then it wasn't what I asked for. So I went back to the site. And I saw that in actual fact, it's like kind of sort of just fraud. You cannot leave any comments. They don't have any messages. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the page here. Don't buy from them. Don't buy from them. But, you know, I just said, for me, just try and make it work. Look at, you know, it didn't give. So I'm just styling it. And I just said, you know what, for me, I will take the bottom down. And what I'll do is that I will add like a thick white base to style it, kind of, sort of. Maybe even pink. Just to give it that edge. I'll do that. And then I'll just style it and, you know, and I'll just pull them up. And then, like I said, I styled this so that it can kind of do what it's supposed to do. It's okay. Sometimes there are winners, sometimes there are losers. Some of you will be saying, but why didn't you return it? Because it's too much of a hassle. Because it wasn't worth it. I think I paid £20 for this. So for me to start getting back and forth, no, I just said, for me, it's your loss. So, you know, no better for next time. Why are we here? Halle Bailey is living her best life. New photos of her on a steamy vacation with a mystery man. And when I tell you, homeboy doesn't look bad either. Halle Bailey is living it up at the top of summer and it looks like she's having some friendly company by her side. Recent photos and video obtained by the Shade Room shows the actress kicking it with a mystery man. And the vibe between them, from the kisses to risque hand placements, the photos are giving more than friends energy. And the boat is looking absolutely cute. They said, you know what, let's escape. Let's get away from everything and everyone. And that's exactly what she's done. Halle's Love Live update comes amid her custody battle for son Halo with her ex-boyfriend DDG. Their most recent court date was listed on the 24th of June. Halle Bailey is enjoying her Italian summer with a mystery man with whom we've yet to see her step out with. In other words, confirm and make it Instagram official. That's what they mean right there. Photos obtained by photo agency Backgrid show her chilling on a yacht with a black man donning long locks. He was all smiles, why wouldn't he, in the pics. First in a white shirt and short set with a fitted cap and shades, then shirtless with Nike swimming trunks. Baby, I'm not mad at you. And he looks calm and he looks laid back and he's like, you know what, Halle, life is too short. Let's just do us. You know, don't worry about it. I good. I chill. On their fun in the Sunday, Halle even posed for photos, giving him a visual taste of her face card and new curves from behind. A few photos even showed them sharing a kiss on the lips. I love this kind of vacay. It reminds me of when Ula and I went to Thailand just before Adrian was born. That's how you do it. Ahead of Mother's Day, the actress told her fans about the importance of enjoying the moment and not being too hard on yourself. Her message came amid her admitting that she's thicker than usual, making her feeling slightly insecure. But like the bikini photo she shared then, Bailey served straight heat while enjoying it with Mr. Right Baby. I'm very happy for her. Aside from steamy moments with her locked hottie, Black Grid reports that Bailey almost had a nude slip. At some point on the yacht that day, her cheeky bikini bottoms tried to show a little more than sis probably intended. Still, per her smile in the photos, it seems like Bailey was doing just fine on her sun-soaked outing. Well, roommates, what do you think? Is it giving that this little mermaid found her Prince Eric? As mentioned, not much is known about the man seen in the photos. Life goes on. Life is too short and life goes on. Do you hear me? And I say that also for Mr. DDG. Life goes on. You will always be connected because you have a baby together. And that's youth. We're young. We believe in the stories. We believe in the future. We believe that the guy that we are with is our Mr. Right. But he's the Mr. Right now. And so it didn't work out. It didn't work out. Too much stress. Too much this, that, and the third. Move on. It is what it is. You will continue to make your mistakes, just as I do. And with the mistakes, you learn. And you do better and you know better. I finally married at 40. But I had been dating from 15. I got it wrong until I got it right. And I'm grateful for all of it. And I say that to Halle too. This guy might also be Mr. Right now. But enjoy it. Enjoy the Italian holiday of summer 2025. Take lots of pictures. And remember it for what it was. And if it blooms into something else, it blooms into something else. Don't take life seriously. Do the best that you can with sincere intent to not inflict harm on anybody, to always be honest, always be truly sincere to you and love you. You have to be number one at all times. Date 20 guys if you must. It is better than giving the same guy 20 chances. My humble opinion. Move on, live your life, and enjoy it for everything that it offers you. Congratulations, Mama. And I'm sure Halo is being taken care of while you are taking care of you. That's part of motherhood, and I'm saying this also to new mothers because I have learned this. I thought you had to go, and baby, and hubby, and home, house, family, career, until I learned in my 17th year of marriage, Fumi, take time out for yourself, because that is part of working hard, and that is how you have longevity. You will burn yourself out if you think and do for everybody else and you don't do anything for yourself. You will get to that stage where you will say to yourself, oh, I feel as if not only am I last, I'm not even on anybody's list right here. Take time out for yourself. Enjoy yourself. Go to the spa. When I tell you I live for my wood massage, I don't play with it. I get my lymphatic massage for my thighs, for my tummy. I think I showed you. I'll put some videos up. I get my pedicures, I get my lasers, I get my facials. You know, I live for Healthy Hair Studio. They have revamped me. I love it. And I spoil myself and I buy little things. Yes, I do. I have learned now in my 50s, Mama, if you don't take care of yourself now, when will you? If not now, when? All right, my darlings, don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Hey guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.